dear students.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Myself, Swati teacher, and I welcome you all to the online lectures arranged by Brihan Mumbai Mahanagarpalika Shikshan Vibhag, and we are going to study about subject English today. Okay. So,
Teacher.
are you all awake enough? Feeling fresh?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
8 o'clock exactly, and we shall start our studies. Okay. But before starting our studies, I think we should take one activity. Okay. So are you ready for the activity?
Ready. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay. Great. So the name of the activity is do the actions. What is the name of the activity? Do the actions. Okay. So here in this activity, you don't have to say a single word. Don't say any word. Just do the actions. Okay. And I will show you a sheet. By watching that sheet, you have to do the action. Understood?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
You understood the instructions properly? Teacher. Yeah. I will show you a sheet and you have to do the actions. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. And this is round 1 for that activity. And later on, we will just interchange the activity. Okay? This is the first round. So, are you ready?
Ready. Ready,
Okay,
teacher.
just high up your energy. Say loudly. Are you ready?
Ready. Ready.
Okay, great. So, the first trick for you is don't say a word. You have to just do the actions. Can you see the trick? Oh.
Trying.
Do the actions. Come on. Yes. Are Ikra, but you are laughing and doing the action of crying. Come on, cry properly. Yes. Yes. Okay. Good. Very nice. Okay. Some people are cleaning their eyes. You're not awake yet. Okay. So, let's move forward to our next sheet. Okay? Are you ready?
Ready. Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, your next sheet is...
Eating.
Okay. So, don't read the word. Read it in your mind and then do the actions. Come on, do the action for eating. Yes, Manini, she has already started doing the action. Come on, come on. How do you eat? Yes, continue eating. Do the action for eating. Ah, ha, ha, ha. What you are eating, Areva? You are doing your breakfast? Are you doing your breakfast? Yes. Karnika is eating so slowly. Okay, very good, girl. Okay, so we will move forward to our next sheet. Okay, are you ready for that?
Ready. Yes, teacher.
Okay, fine. So your next sheet. Don't say the word, because other students will just notice your word and then they will copy your action. Okay. So your word is... What is this? What is the word?
Smiling.
Smiling. Okay. Now tell me, this is smiling, right? So how do you smile? What is it? Yes. This is laughing. This is laughing. But I have asked you smiling. So how do you smile? Yes. This is smiling. Okay. And this is what? This is laughing. Okay? Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So our next trick. Okay? And this is very interesting and you have to do the action. Okay? Stand up everyone. Just stand up. Stand up. Come on. UV. Yes, Tehan. Can you stand up? Okay, let it be. Okay, fine. So, are you ready for that? Yes, read the word and do the actions. What is the word?
Dancing.
Yes, so start dancing. Start dancing. Yes, how you dance? See. Ting, 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 ting. Yes, come on, do the dancing. Rehan, why you not dancing? You don't like to dance? Come on, students. Start dancing. Yes. Very nice. Come on, dance. Nobody is dancing here. Okay. Okay, great. Are you feeling shy to dance in front of teacher? Okay,
No.
Kirtika. Okay, Kirtika is dancing. Others are not dancing. Yes, Manasvi, why you're not dancing? Start dancing, come on. Yes. Shall I play the music? Shall I play the music?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, but we can do it next time, okay? Yes. Aisha has started dancing. Okay, great. Fine. There are some moves from Mahir Mistri. Okay, he is showing some nice moves. Okay, great. Okay. So our next cheat. This is the last cheat for first round. Okay? And your cheat is don't read the word. Read it in your mind. Do the action. Yes, Manini has started doing. Rehan, Ikka has got the glass also. Very good. What are you drinking? What are you drinking?
Tea. Water. Tea. Water.
What else? What else are you drinking?
Tea. Water.
Okay. Nobody is drinking milk. Don't you drink milk early in the morning?
Milk.
Yes. Okay. That's all for the first round. Okay. So now we are going to play the second round of the activity. Okay. Now I am going to do the action and you have to tell me the answer. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, great. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Sleeping. Sleeping.
Yes. Very nice. Yes, I was sleeping. Okay. Now the next. Okay?
Okay, teacher. Writing in the book. Writing.
I am writing. Yes. See, I am doing the action like this.
Writing in the book.
Yes.
Writing in the book.
I am writing in the book. Now the third action. Okay?
Okay. Thinking.
Very good. Who said the answer? Ikra?
Me, teacher, and God.
Okay. Very good. So I was thinking. Okay. So this was for the activity. Did you like the activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now tell me, where are you right now? Where are you right now?
Online class.
What? You are at your home, right? You are at your home, na?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. So who are the members there at your home? Who are the members?
Mother, father, my little brother, father, my brother, my little sister.
Okay, okay. So, can you call your mother and father to your mobile screen?
Yes.
Can you call?
Yes.
So call them and ask teacher is calling.
Yes.
Yes, call your parents. Quickly, quickly, okay? Jaldi, jaldi.
1 minute, teacher.
Okay. Just for 1 minute, okay? Call your mummy, papa.
Yes.
Okay. So, Ikra, for 1 minute only. Okay? Okay. Kushi's mummy is here. Okay? Okay. Vihan's parent is also here. Bhagya Lakshmi, your father. Okay. Majority of the parents are here. So, students, I want to explain you that your mummy or papa must be nearby you, right? And you are the small baby of your parents, right? Yes or no? Yes, your parents
Yes,
are there with
teacher.
you. Yes, your mummy or papa is with you. Okay? And you are the babies, right? So you are the young ones of your parents. Okay? So if you are the child, we can call them as the young ones also. Okay? Are you getting my point? You are the young ones of your parents. Yes. You are Bachchu, right? Of your mummy and papa. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Yes
teacher.
or no? Yes. So, your parents are there with you. Okay? Just hug your parents and say, I love you, dear daddy, pop, mummy.
I love you, dear daddy, mommy.
Okay, so sweet. So, in this way, I want to explain you that as you were sitting with your mummy and papa and you are the young ones, right? In the same way, we have animals nearby us. There are some domestic animals and some wild animals in the forest, but they also have their young ones. Okay? Okay, yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Rehan is laughing. Yes, okay. So there are can you hear me, everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Yes. So as you are the young ones of your parents, there are animals nearby us that are domestic animals, and some animals are in the forest. They are wild animals. They also have their young ones. Okay, their babies. Okay. So today we are going. Yes. So today we are going to study about the topic animals and their young ones. Okay. So I am sharing my screen right now and we can learn through it. Okay. But first of all, I would like to ask you, take out your notebook and pencil quickly and note it down. Okay? Come on, take out quickly. Have you taken out your notebook?
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Okay, so now I'm sharing my screen and whatever things I'm teaching you, just write down in your notebook. Okay?
Okay. Okay, teacher.
Okay. And say loudly, okay? So here, I welcome you to the online lectures arranged by Brihan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika Shikshan Vibhag and myself, Swati teacher. Okay. What is the date today? Today is 24th March 2021. And you all are students of standard?
One.
In which standard? First. Yes, you are students of standard first. And what topic we are going to study today? We are going to study
English.
animals and their young ones. What is the topic? Animals and their young ones.
And
Their young ones.
and their young ones.
Yes. Okay. So, see, what is the first picture?
Cat and kittens.
Yes, there is a big cat over there, right? And there are two small little babies there. Yes or no? In the basket. Yes, they are babies of the cat. So what are the babies of cat called as? They are called as kitten. They are called as kitten. Yes, write the spellings quickly. Write down the spellings quickly. Very good. So you have started saying, I am done. Very good. Very good.
Yeah,
Next.
I'm done.
What can you see?
Cow.
Yes.
Cow.
There is a mummy cow. Yes, there is a cow. And there is a baby of the cow. And what it is called as? The baby? Yes. Calf.
Cow.
Call it as calf. Just say after me. Calf.
Cow.
Calf. Okay. So have you written it?
Yes, I am done, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I move forward to the next one?
Teacher, done.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay. Now see. What is this? This is a deer.
Deer.
Deer is known for what? Deer is known for what? Deer running very faster. Okay.
Yes.
Deer runs. Yes. So, and what is the baby deer called as? The baby deer called as fawn. Fawn.
Fawn.
Yes.
F.
So, write down in your book.
F-A. Yes, teacher.
Finished writing.
Yes, miss. Yes, teacher. Yes,
So,
teacher.
Say, I am done.
I am done.
Very good. Okay. So, the next animal is, see who is the next animal? Horse. Okay. So, what is the baby horse called as? Foal.
Foal.
Yes. What is the baby horse called as?
Foal.
Okay. So, write down in your book.
No, teacher. L.
Write down, write down.
L-E. F. O. Teacher, done. I am done.
Okay, okay. So here is our next animal. See which is the next animal here? Pig.
Pig.
And what is, yes, what is the baby pig called as? Piglet.
J.
Baby pig is called as piglet.
Pig.
No. Piglet.
Piglet.
Yes. Piglet.
Piglet.
Finished writing?
No, teacher. No, teacher.
Okay. Write aram se. No problem.
I'm done.
Okay, you are done.
Teacher, done.
Okay,
Teacher,
so yes. So the next animal is dog.
Dog.
Yes. So what is the, yes. So baby dog is called as puppy.
D-O-G.
What is the baby dog called as?
Puppy.
Puppy. Yes.
P-U.
And you have to learn the spellings also, huh?
Double P-Y. Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes. Are you done?
I done, teacher. Yes, teacher. I done, teacher. Yes.
Oh, yes, listen to me. You should say, I am done, teacher.
I am done, teacher. I am
Yes.
done, teacher.
Somebody said, I done, teacher. So that is not correct. Okay? You should say, I am done, teacher.
I am done, teacher. I am done, teacher.
Okay. Yes. Now the next animal. What is the next animal here?
Sheep.
Yes. What is,
S-W-E-P.
wait. What is the color of the sheep?
White.
Yes. And the skin of the sheep is used for making woolen clothes. Yes. Sweaters and all. So what is the baby sheep called as? Lamb. Lamb. Write down the spellings.
Yes, miss.
Finish writing.
I am done, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Very good.
I am done.
Okay, you kids are very smart. Fantastic. Finish writing, right? So see the next. Yes. Yes. What is the thing? Duck. And what is the baby duck called as? Duckling. Yes. Duckling.
Duckling. D-U-C-K.
L-I-N-G. Duckling. Finished writing?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Fine. So the next here is bee. Okay, so I have forwarded my slide. So the next is bee. You know na bee? What is bee? That is honey bee.
Honey bee.
Yes. And what do we call honey bee in Hindi?
Madhumakki.
Very good. Yes, Madhumakki. So, and what is the baby Madhumakki called as? Larva. Yes. What? Don't say it larva. Its R is silent, so it is called as larva.
I am done, teacher.
Okay. So, but learn the spellings, and now I'm going to take your test also. So you have to learn the spellings simultaneously. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Are you done?
Teacher.
Okay.
Done.
What is this? The blue color bird.
Butterfly.
Yes, it's a butterfly. What it is? Butterfly. And what is the baby butterfly called as? Caterpillar. Yes, say again. And you should pronounce it as caterpillar. Don't say caterpillar. It's caterpillar. Yeah,
Caterpillar.
right. Exactly. Very good.
C-A-T-E-R.
Finished writing?
No, teacher.
Okay, do it. Aram se.
I-double-L-A-R. Fish.
Fish or finish?
Done. Finish.
Okay. Okay. So the next animal is
Lion.
Yes. So what is the next animal? Lion. Yes. Yes. Don't say it as lion. It's not lion. It's lion. What it is? Yes, lion. And what is the baby lion called as? It is called as cub. Cub. Okay. Write the words.
Yes, I am done. I am done.
Okay. Others, finished writing.
Yes.
Now do the action of lion. This is not the action of lion. And make the sound also. Do the action. Come on. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Now, again, I'm sharing the screen. Huh? Write down the words, okay? Okay, this is finished.
Yes, teacher. Teacher.
Okay, now what is this? Tiger. And see the baby tiger, what it is called as?
Cubs.
Yes. See how the baby tiger is smiling? Yes. So, tiger and the baby tiger is called as cub.
Cub. UCB. Teacher, I am done.
Okay. Okay. So now
I'm done.
all finished? Has everyone finished writing?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. So the last animal is, see what is the last animal? Bear. Yes, the bear's young one is also called as cub. Okay. Okay. So students, yes. So I have taught you 12 to 13 animals and their baby's name, right? So we will just revise these words once again, but I will say the animal's name and you have to say the baby's name from your notebook. You have written it right now, right?
Yes.
You have written it now? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
I can't hear you. Say loudly.
Yes.
Have you written it?
Yes. Ready.
Come on, high up your energy. Say yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. So I will say the animal's name and you have to say the baby's name. Okay?
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Okay. So one more time, I'm sharing my screen and those students who have not written the words or they have mistakenly kept it aside. So you can just take out the screenshot of the slide so that words will be with you later on also. Okay?
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Huh.
yes, teacher.
Okay. Wait 1 minute. Huh? So now we are going to do what? Revision. Yes. So whatever words, whatever animals and their young ones we just studied now, we are going to do revision for them. Okay? See. So now I will be saying the animal's name. You will say what you will say?
Kitty.
Baby's name. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, great. So let's start. Cat. Kitten. Yes. Cow.
Cow.
Deer. Yes. Deer.
Cow.
It is called as fawn. Fawn. Okay, horse. Horse. Foal. Foal. Yes. Pig.
Piglet.
Piglet. Piglet.
Piglet.
Yes. Dog.
Puppy. Dog. Puppy.
Listen to me.
Puppy.
Yes, listen to me. I will be saying the animal name. You just have to say the baby's name. Okay.
Yes.
So I will say, yes, dog.
Dog. Puppy.
Puppy. Yes. Sheep.
Sheep. Lamb.
Lamb. Duck.
Duckling.
Duckling. Bee. 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 What is the young one's name? Bee. Don't call it as larva. It's lava. It's lava. Lava. Yes. Butterfly. Caterpillar. Yeah, right. Now the three are same. Lion. Tiger. Bear. Yes. So we have done our revision. Now I am going to take your exam. So are you ready for the exam?
Yes, teacher.
I am going to do your evaluation. Okay? Exam, test. So are you ready for that?
Ready, teacher.
Great. So again, I am sharing the screen and there is one picture. Okay? You have to match that pictures. Okay? I'll share the screen.
Teacher.
You can watch it carefully. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Here now we are going to do our evaluation. Means test.
Evaluation.
Yes, that means test. See, what is the instruction given here? Animals and their young ones. Matching exercise. Okay. So, match the images on the left to their corresponding images on the right. So, you have to match the left side ka babies to the right side ka animals. Okay? So, what is the first picture in the left side?
Tiger.
No, it's a cub.
Cub.
The left side are the babies. Yes, left side are the babies and right side are the animals. Okay. So first one is cub.
Cub.
Right side mein which?
Tiger. Cub. Tiger.
Yes. Where is the tiger?
Last number.
Yes, last number. Very good. See the second one. What is on the left side? What is the baby? Deer ka baby. What it is called as?
Deer. Baby deer.
Fawn. Yes. So where is the deer?
Fawn.
Which number?
Fourth.
Yes, fourth number on the right side. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now see the left side, third number. What it is? Which baby?
First number. Lion cub.
Yes, that baby is the cub. Cub of the lion.
Cub. Lion. Second number.
Very good. Yes, very good. Second number. Okay. Now fourth. What is the fourth number? Baby is called as cub. Baby cub. Of whom? Whose baby it is? Deer. And where is the deer on the right side? Which number? Fifth number. Yes,
number.
very good. Fifth number. Okay. So this was for your evaluation. Okay. Now it's time for your homework. Yes. So now I'm going to give you the homework. Okay. So here is your homework. See, you can take the screenshot of this picture. Take screenshot. Do you know how to take the screenshot?
No, teacher. No, teacher.
Just call your parents and ask them to take the screenshot of this picture. See, you can match these animals very easily. I have taught you all these animals and their babies. Have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So this is homework for you. Okay. So do the matching. Huh. Okay. And this is end for our slide. So did you enjoy this lecture?
Yes, teacher.
Did you understood all the animals and their young ones?
Yes, teacher. Yes, miss.
Okay. So thank you and learn these animals and their young ones with their spellings along. Okay. Learn it by heart. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. And there will be the second lecture now. So it's my lecture is done. So thank you very much. And please do subscribe our Standard First Educational channel, that is